So, folks, I'm here with a quick version of the demo that I wanted to show you guys. I just finished creating the full demo of me kind of explaining things and some caveats that kind of prevented me from being able to do this for Substack. However, that video turned out to be 17 minutes. So I don't want everybody to have to sit through that video if they don't want to and they just kind of want to see the final product. So in this example, I'm just going to quickly run through an example post where to update your information, your content to make these posts, and some more details about where to clone this project for yourself if you want to do it on your local machine, or for any other developers that want to pop in and contribute, or maybe copy it and create their own with a few other features. By all means, hit up my GitHub and give the repo a clone and have at it. But really quickly, you can see right here on my screen 4 minutes ago, I did a post with kind of explaining how to do this with an image, how to do this with a video. There's ability to do longer posts where it will thread out. So we'll just go through an example of a short post instead of doing something long. And I won't do another one with the image. The one that I'm going to do right now is going to be something that I don't really care about. And I'm going to delete the post afterwards. But this is just to show you guys, hopefully within 5 minutes instead of 17, how this works. And if you are curious, you can check out the full demo of me rambling, quite honestly, but kind of talking a little bit more in detail of how to post things and how to get things set up. But in short, I have a few templates that you can utilize if you already clone this on your own system, but you don't really necessarily need these templates. You just kind of have to follow the specific format to where you'll have a specific short on the top, and that is kind of just a brief info of like what the post will be about. This one is mainly for Substack because with the app protocol apps, you don't necessarily need there's no short, there's no like description area or subtitle or what have you. The tags portion here is for all your hashtags. So depending on which platform you're using, sometimes it allows for a specific limit of hashtags. Sometimes they allow you to put as many as you want. But yeah, so we'll get right into it. This is the text that I'm going to put a post, and then I'll delete it later. But you can, real quickly, if you wanted to add an image or add a video to your post, you just have to add these specific flags. And I'll have, in the future, I'll be doing not too far in the future, but very soon I'll be making a blog post about the technicalities of this, kind of get into the code itself. And I'll have snippets and everything explaining certain aspects of like how you set up the formatting and how you set up the platform, Python files. But you can add images to these posts. However, I'm not going to do that here. And I'll just do another post just for text so you guys can see that it works. During that first demo, there was an issue. As you can see there, I have a failed run because I just had the wrong path file for my image. But I digress. I'm rambling again. So we'll go ahead and get this started. I'll run it. You see it posts perfectly fine. The other apps do not have a desktop app, so I will show you on my phone. But if I refresh this page, we can see there it is, the post from my specific CLI tool. So it works perfectly fine as the specific hashes here. And if I were to go to, I'm on Flashes right now. Flashes is more so of you kind of need an image for it to post. So here you can see the image that I posted on the last one. But if I were to go to Pink Sky, kind of the same thing with Pink Sky because they're supposed to be like an Instagram clone. There's no just strictly text situation going on. And then Sky Light is the same thing, but it mixes both of like the images and that, so you can see it in Skylight, just the specific text. And Pink Sky like I mentioned, it's going to show my last image, but it won't do the new post because it's just text. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the demo. It works well, and it's going to be free for everybody. It's open source, so I highly recommend if you want to use this tool to do synchronous posting for all the platforms through your CLI. Have at it. But yeah, my next video it'll be more so the learning process or starting the learning journey with cybersecurity. And voice is squeaking a little bit. I'm tired, very tired today. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the quick demo. And if you want to see the longer demo, I'll post that on my Substack as well. But yeah, until next time, y'all, peace.